Hello everyone, today I have got 5 websites that every front-end developer and even other programmers should know about. These are the sites I personally use every day and I think you will love them too. So let's dive in. Let's start with MDN Web Docs. I think for front-end developers, MDN Web Docs is one of the best resources out there in terms of documentation. MDN covers basically pretty much everything in web technologies, including HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And fun fact, even VS Code uses MDN as a reference for code suggestions. By the way, do you know what does MDN stand for? It is Mozilla Developer Network. Yep, the same company that created the Firefox browser. Now we have documentation. Let's talk about writing beautiful code. Ever wanted to share a piece of code you are proud of on a social media or your blog, but it looks ugly? Don't worry, because Carbon is here to fix it. Carbon lets you generate beautiful images of your code. In this website, you can tweak pretty much everything: the theme, background, font, spacing, etc. It's a great tool to make your code look shiny on social media. Ever come across a new CSS feature only to find out that it works on your computer but not on your phone, or vice versa? This is where caniuse.com can be very useful. Basically, it helps you check what browser supports this new feature. I remember waiting for ages for the full support for Flexbox gap property, and now it is supported in almost 95% of the browsers. Next time you see a new feature, always make sure to check it in this website before using it in your projects. Now let's talk about design. Before starting a new project, it's important to choose colors carefully, otherwise it can ruin the user experience. With Realtime Colors, you can visualize color palettes in real time and see how they would look on a website. You can either choose a color palette you have in mind or just keep pressing the spacebar until you find the one you like. Once done, you can just copy the colors or simply download it into your computer. Definitely a great tool. Last but not least, let's not forget about the little details like your site's favicon. You know that tiny logo that appears in the browser tab? With Favicon.io, you can generate those tiny logos from simple text, an image, or even an emoji. It's quick, easy, and a great way to personalize your website. And there you have it. If you have other websites that you use on a daily basis, feel free to write them in the comments. I might make a video about them in the future. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.